Hi Libra, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the week of 28th March to 4th April. This is an interesting week as there's a full moon in Libra and this brings all the emotions to the fore. Let's see what your week has. So yeah, you are working really hard, but you're not. There's a lack of expression. Whether you are not expressing or the other person is not, but things are bound to change. You're being very strong when it comes to a certain situation. The Queen of Swords. So yeah, uh, this person has got communication, but I feel that the Judgment card is here and the Queen of Pentacles. They still respect you. They still. Let me clarify these Five of Pentacles here. What is this all about? Yeah, so it's all about options. You've worked hard and you're very intuitive, but there is hope either in this connection and you do have options. So it's up to you, Libra, whether you want to really wait for them to come forward or go with the new options that you have. It's all up to you. You have. Let me also clarify the Page of Swords. Yeah, the Page of Swords was that you saw somebody as a wish fulfillment, as a perfect person for you. You offered love, or they offered love. It could be vice versa, but things didn't move forward. Things didn't move forward because this person didn't accept, or you didn't accept their love offer. So I think that's why things were just halted. Let me also clarify the Magician. Yeah, so Magician, Wheel of Fortune. So this person who didn't speak in the past wants to now come and communicate and change things, is what I see. They really want to work on this connection. They really want to put in the hard work now. They really see you as somebody very fulfilled, very somebody who's achieved a lot in their lives. So that's the whole story about. Let's see. Hanged Man, the Moon, and the Hierophant. Yeah, so this person has thought a lot about expressing emotions, to you. This person has, your intuition tells you that this person loves you, but they don't tell you that they love you, is what I'm getting. But I feel that things will definitely change this week. This person will muster up the courage to come to you, is what I feel. You have more options than you realize. Like I told you, you do have options. Your treasure is at hand. And one more, they choose you. How beautiful, Libra. They finally choose you. They know that you are the one. Let me read this out. Such a beautiful card, if you see. You might not be read. Might not readily believe this. It might even spook you a bit. But there are those who choose this very lifetime in large part knowing you'll be there, and that's what we call a reputation. So this person has chosen you even before they had a new human experience, and this person definitely will find you, though they are right now blinded by a lot of other factors. But let them. I think you should give them time. You also have options than you realize, but I think it's up to you whether you want to give this person a chance or go for the option. But things will change with this person very soon, is what I'm getting here. Let us take some more cards from another deck. Universe, what are the more messages? It says there is a stream of love supporting my dreams. In any moment, I can surrender to the powerful presence of love through prayer, contemplation, and stillness. I always trust the direction of the universe and I'm being guided. So let the universe guide you. Be still where you are. Hold on your ground. I think let the universe tell you what to do and where to go. If you feel that you are blinded by the options and you don't know, things are bound to change, whether in the current connection or otherwise for you. How you can handle the situation is equal. I think for the options, you should equally weigh the pros and cons of every option that you have. I think don't just go because it's not the same as before because it's new. I think you should really equally weigh the pros and cons before you take any action, is what it's telling you to do, Libra. But things are looking good this week. You have a lot of offers. This person is also changing. wherever they are in their heads, and they're experiencing that change. So they will come forward to you this week. That's all I have for you. If you like what I do, to subscribe to my channel. We'll meet next week.